Do you know that lawyers use a simple formula and you can use it too and sound incredibly smart? Say this read or else
ठुमक ठुमक
they
जानी
use
आ
the
माये
deep
दे
parts of
नाल
the formula
ठुमक
to
ठुमक
make the
जानी
sentence
आ माये
complete.
दे नाल
Because
ठुमक
X,
ठुमक
therefore
जानी
Y
आ माये
is
दे
Z.
नाल
Most
ठुमक
people
ठुमक
just go
जानी
randomly
आ
and
माये
say
दे
words
नाल
which
होए
they
सोना
think
मेरा माही
will
टुर
connect
जाना
because
ओदे नाल सोना
every
मेरा
human
माही
being
टुर जाना
thinks
ओदे
the
नाल
same that the
ठुमक
person
ठुमक
is
जानी
thinking
आ माये दे
because
नाल
the deadline is
ठुमक ठुमक
because
जानी
it's
आ माये दे नाल ओए चुत्ती मेरी चुत्ती मेरी
See the
चुत्ती
difference? The
मेरी
second one sounds more like strategic thinking. Your brain processes it as much more credible because it follows a logical reasoning pattern which humans trust instinctively. Commit lawyer and I'll send you 5 different templates that will help you sound the smartest person in the room.